This YouTube channel about scary stories is making over $46,000 per month without ever showing their face. What's even crazier is that this YouTube channel was started few years ago, and that $46,000 comes from only Google AdSense. If we combine their weekly sponsorships, they're likely making closer to $60,000 per month. In today's video, I will show you how you can do this too, step by step using AI to script, edit, and create a faceless YouTube channel. I'll be sharing valuable information that would make most people working a 9-to-5 quit their jobs in the next few months. I will not only explain the process, but also be putting this method to the test and documenting my entire journey into upcoming videos so you'll be able to follow along firsthand and see the results. This video will contain tons of value, so make sure not to skip any parts of it because every step is important for this to be successful. First, let me explain the business concept, so you have a better understanding of what we'll cover in this video in case you don't already know. YouTube pays its creators when people spend time watching their videos. Most content creators are ordinary people like you and me who choose to invest their time creating videos. This business concept is going to show you how you can take advantage of that and fully automate a YouTube channel using AI where you can make thousands of dollars every month without ever having to show your face in the example. I showed you earlier that was making $46,000 a month. Their videos talk about scary stories, which is a great topic because people love listening to scary stories and it's very simple to reproduce. Let me show you just how simple this process can be. To write the script, we'll be using ChatGPT if you haven't used ChatGPT before. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a script for you for the YouTube idea that you have in mind. For this example, I've asked ChatGPT to give me 10 topics for scary stories for my YouTube video out there next. I will take one of these topics and ask ChatGPT to write me at least 300 words about the abandoned asylum. And as you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing. It's writing out the full script for us while I take a sip of coffee. When you're creating a faceless YouTube channel, this is the part that usually takes the most time, so it's really nice to have a tool accessible to us to expedite that process. ChatGPT has gone ahead and created the full link to YouTube script for us. You can even ask it to write an engaging hook for the introduction of your video and its topic. If you wanted to expand any of the specific sections, you could do that by copying that section, pasting it in, and asking ChatGPT to expand that paragraph, which makes it really easy for you to expand your content. This is useful because the longer your videos are, the longer someone spends their time watching, and ultimately the more money you will make. But next you have a decision to make. You can either record yourself in your voice reading the script like I'm doing now, you can hire a voice actor to read the script for you, or you can use an AI voice generator to manufacture one personally. I think that people will always connect best with a real human voice, but the AI option is great if you want to save time. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you've extended your YouTube script and you're happy with the overall script, the next step is to copy that script and head over to Pictory. Pictory is going to be the tool that we'll be using to turn our script into a video. In my opinion, this is one of the best, most cutting-edge tools available right now. They make it so simple to produce high-quality videos. And the best part is they have a free trial, so you can take full advantage for free today, like I'm doing right now. So once you're in Pictory, there are a couple ways in which you can turn your content in videos. You can do articles to videos, you can edit your videos using text, or you can do visuals to a video. But for this example, we'll be using the script to video template. To get started, go ahead and click Proceed and enter the name of your video. Next, here is where you'll paste your full script for your YouTube video. I had gone ahead and entered my script into a Google Doc before just so I could check the word count and make sure there weren't any spelling errors. After I've pasted it in, we can proceed to the next step, which is adding music and sound effects to the video. Pictory has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can choose from, but if you have your own music or sound effects, don't worry. You can also upload them directly. Once you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final edits before exporting it. Exporting your video is a very easy, straightforward process, and once your video is exported, we will then upload it to YouTube. Now, there's already a lot of great content out there that shows you how you should set up a YouTube channel from scratch, so I won't over-explain that process too much, but I will say that setting up the right keywords and thumbnails for your videos is very important. So right now we're inside my new channel, but I don't want to share the name because if you guys click in and don't watch the videos all the way through, then it's going to negatively affect the growth of my automated channel. Instead, I will be updating you on how this project goes in future videos. so make sure to subscribe to keep an eye on how it does in the future. Back to the example we showed you earlier, they do a great job of creating scary-looking thumbnails and exciting titles. We can use another amazing AI tool called Leonardo.ai to create similar types of thumbnails. Leonardo AI is an AI program that is used for creating images using text prompts, meaning it can literally create an image of anything you want. We could ask for, in our case, a scary thumbnail. To do this, you want to come into Leonardo AI and set up your account. Once you're in, you'll be in your dashboard. Leonardo has a free plan which offers you over 100 tokens a day, which is enough for what we need. Head off to image generation and type in whatever your prompt is. In our case, I've asked it for a YouTube thumbnail that evokes scary stories about the abandoned asylum. And voila! This is the image it came up with, which I think is perfect. But don't worry if you don't like the first image. What Leonardo AI creates, you can always ask it for a revision or another one entirely. Now it's time to actually upload this video and get started on the next one. Remember, the YouTube algorithm favors consistency, so make sure to keep uploading videos. You'll want to have a solid base of content on your channel so that one day when one video pops off and goes viral, people will have lots of other similar content on your channel to explore again. I will be updating you on how this project goes in future videos, so make sure to like and subscribe to keep an eye on how it does. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day, everyone.